I'm here with the amazing Lee from Seal Appeal. They've been working with us for quite a while now, mate. Do you remember when we first started, when you first engaged TDMA?
I believe it might have been about March last year.
Yeah, so probably closing in on about 12 months.
Yeah, it's been a little bit over 12 months now.
Roughly how much work has been created through the process that we've been doing?
I was just having a look through that this morning, actually. So
Right.
we're up to about 350K in sales that have been directly attributed to you guys that have come through our door. So we're up to 350, and what we've actually quoted, we've got about another 500 to 600K in quotes that are out there and waiting to see if we get the jobs or not.
If anyone was looking to come and work with us and go through the marketing experience that you've been through with TDMA, what would you say to them about that decision and what type of, I guess, mindset mentality to bring into it?
Well, 100%. I believe it's a great decision to go with you guys. It's an investment, and you sit and you watch it grow.
Amazing, mate.
That's what you guys bring.